In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a preferred currency and currency formatting in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know how to update your main company currency, add additional currencies with exchange rates, and make sure your dates and numbers display in the format that makes the most sense for your region. Let's start with choosing your main company currency. In your Hubspot account, look for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear, usually in the top navigation bar. Click that to open your settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. From there, go to Account Defaults. Once that page loads, look for the Currency tab and select it. This is where you control how money values are handled across your account. On the Currency tab, find the Actions menu. Click Actions, and then choose Edit Company Currency. A drop-down or selection field will appear where you can choose the primary currency for your company, such as dollars, euros, pounds, or whatever your business uses most frequently. Take a moment to make sure you're picking the currency that matches your main billing or reporting needs, because this will influence how deals and reports are displayed. Once you've selected the correct currency, click Save to apply the change. Next, let's add additional currencies. This is helpful if you work with international customers or report in more than one currency. Still on the Currency tab, click Add Currency. A new row or window will appear asking you to select a currency. Choose the extra currency you want to support. After selecting it, you'll see a field to enter an exchange rate. This should reflect how that currency converts relative to your main company currency. Enter the current exchange rate carefully, ideally based on a reliable, up-to-date source. When you're done, click Save. You can repeat this process for any other currencies you need. Keeping in mind, you may want to review and update these exchange rates periodically. Finally, let's adjust your currency formatting, which is controlled by your language and region settings. Go back to the main settings menu using the gear icon if needed. This time, in the left-hand menu, click General. Under General, select Language and Region. Here you'll see options for how dates and numbers are displayed. Look for Date and Number Format, then open the Region drop-down. Choose the region that matches how you want numbers, decimal separators, and dates to appear. For example, some regions use commas instead of periods in large numbers or day-month-year instead of month-day-year. After selecting the appropriate region, click Save to confirm your formatting preferences.